there, my name's Anna and welcome to my channel. Today I'm painting a flower, I think it's called a bird of paradise plant or flower. I had already sketched it out and now I'm doing some line work with a dip pen and ink I had left over from Inktober. Just sketching in a little bit, and then I let it dry and I start painting. I'm using my Mission Gold watercolour paints again, and I'm wetting certain areas and putting in the paints so they will blend in nicely with each other and create a kind of a gradient. I did a similar painting or drawing more so for Inktober, if you want to check that out on my Instagram account. The reference photo for this I think I got on Pixabay. It's kind of hard for me to describe my process since I'm not entirely sure what I'm doing myself. I am trying to mostly work wet into wet, so everything blends nicely into each other and looks more natural, I guess. That's what I'm doing, and I'm just trying to replicate the colors I'm seeing. I'm not terribly creative in my process. I just like drawing pretty things that are appealing to me at the time. And I guess maybe at some stage I'll invent some more ambitious projects. But for now, I just enjoy painting and drawing what's nice. Painting in the background, mostly green, and then I'm just dripping in some colors that I used for the flower as well. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, perhaps you could give me a thumbs up and maybe subscribe.